Hey everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how I use Loopcloud. Incredible bit of software, £6 a month. And what it essentially does is that you have to install a plugin on your computer and also a plugin in your DAW. So what I've done is I've got it set up here, so Loopcloud. And we've got a MIDI version, so I've added the MIDI and this is it. And what you do is you open it up and you drag all your samples in here. Right, what I've then done is I've created an audio track. And what I've done is I've routed both of these to a bus channel, and on the bus channel I've just got my basic settings, which are my PSP Vintage Warmer, okay, with my Magic Q4 and a send and return. If you don't have these, we can achieve the same, not quite as good, but we can still achieve a lot of good success just like this. So for ease of use and to make it more accessible for people that have less software, we'll just stick to Magic Q4, okay? So the MIDI is going to Loopcloud and so is the audio, and what we're going to do is we've got a client's track here, and I said to him it would sound really nice with an acid, so his acid's in D. So what we're going to do is we're going to play his track and we're going to open up Loopcloud. I've gone to D pockets and acids. I'm going to set the key to D. It's now going to play everything in D and in time, which is incredible because in Logic playing samples in time's a nightmare. So let's have a quick look. As you can see, some of the sounds don't play in key, and I assume it's because within the chord there's a sharp or a minor or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, so we've got it. All you do now is you press export, and then we're going to pull it to the audio section. So we've got a MIDI and audio doing the same thing. Okay. I tell a lie. One's got a limiter on there, so we'll move that limiter to the bus. EQ is the same. So all we're going to do now is press export. I'm just going to drag it. Incredible. And that's how you use Loopcloud, an absolutely incredible bit of software. I'm just going to do a little filter. The idea is he's got a track playing beforehand and then there's a nice little fill and then this section comes in. But I was like, it sounds like you could do it with an acid. But rather than the acid slamming in, what we'll do is we'll just filter it in. So, okay now. Put it to high pass. Now you're going to hear some nasty noise when it's filtering in, so to combat that, we'll just use a high pass filter with a built-in EQ. And there you go. So that's how you use Loopcloud. So if you'd like any more tips on how I use Loopcloud and how I've got it set up, if you would like my template, I've got this template set up for every door. So if you would like that, I'm happy to give it you for free. Or if you'd like any information about my one-to-one tutorials, please do drop me a line, tutorials@adamellisdj.com. Thanks, guys. And if you've got any recommendations as well for tutorials, don't be shy. Drop me an email. Let me know.